Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make mousse with paneer. First, you will need 200 grams of fresh paneer, 1 cup of heavy cream, and about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar or condensed milk. For flavor, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of cardamom. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled before you begin for optimal texture and a smooth, creamy finish. Next, let's prepare the star ingredient, the paneer. Take your 200 grams of fresh paneer and crumble it into a food processor. Blend it until it becomes a completely smooth, creamy paste with absolutely no lumps remaining. If it seems too thick, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk to help achieve that perfect, velvety consistency. This step is crucial for a silky mousse. Now for the airy texture. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Then, gently fold this whipped cream into your smooth paneer paste. Add your 1/4 cup of powdered sugar or condensed milk and your chosen flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla, mixing until just combined. Almost there, carefully spoon your delicious paneer mousse into individual serving glasses or a single large bowl. Cover it and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the mousse to set perfectly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish it with chopped pistachios, fresh berries, or a light dusting of cardamom powder. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.